In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan events with Canva. If you've ever tried to organize a corporate conference, a wedding, or a community fundraiser using scattered notes and separate documents, you already know how quickly things can become messy. Canva gives you a much more visual and organized way to bring everything together so you can plan your event in one place without feeling overwhelmed. To get started, open Canva and go to your home dashboard. From there, click on the search bar in the middle of the screen and type in event planning. Canva will show you a range of useful templates, including event planning whiteboards, agenda documents, and project timeline presentations. Choose the layout that best fits the kind of event you're planning. This gives you a strong starting point instead of building everything from scratch. Once your template opens, take a moment to set up your workspace so it's easier to design cleanly. Go to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This will display visual boundaries around your canvas, which helps keep important information from sitting too close to the edges. It's especially useful if your plan will be viewed on different devices or printed later. Next, begin adding your main timeline or section headings. On the left-hand side, click Text and choose Add a Heading. Enter the key phases of your event, such as planning, vendor coordination, promotions, or day of execution. Use the toolbar to choose a bold, easy-to-read font style, then move the text boxes into position. As you drag them, Canva's smart guidelines will help align everything neatly, which makes your timeline much easier to follow. After that, you can bring in other people to collaborate on the project. Click Share in the top right corner. Then open the collaboration link settings. Change the access level from private to the option that fits your team, and assign editing or viewing permissions as needed. This is helpful when you want teammates, vendors, or clients to review or update parts of the plan without disrupting the full document. Before exporting, do a quick quality check. Zoom in and make sure no text is overlapping, no elements are misplaced, and your titles are clear and concise. Also confirm that your sharing settings are saved properly so your collaborators still have access if needed. When everything looks good, go back to Share and choose Download. Select PDF print as the file type to keep your text and layout sharp and professional. If the file is being sent for professional printing, you can also enable crop marks and bleed. Then click Download to save your completed event planning file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.